What's up, fam? Welcome back to our channel. The spot where we dive deep into the sickest rides and rigs of 2026. Today, we've got something super dope for Yather all new 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. And trust me, this ain't your grandma's. RV Cadillac went all out, turning luxury on wheels into a straight-up palace on asphalt. So buckle up, grab your coffee, and let's roll. First off, let's talk about the exterior, because Cadillac didn't hold back. This beast is massive. But it's got that sleek, classy vibe that screams high-end without being flashy. We're talking sharp, flowing lines, a bold chromed grille, and those signature Cadillac lights that just make heads turn even from a mile away. The paint options are straight-fire 2 glossy metallics that pop under the sun and give it that showroom shine. And the wheels. Man, those 22-inch alloys look like they belong on a sports car, not a motorhome, giving it a strong, aggressive stance that says, yeah, I'm here, deal with it. It's massive, but Cadillac somehow made it look sporty. That's some next-level design right there. Now, stepping inside is like walking into a 5-star hotel on wheels. You pop open the door, and boom, you're hit with buttery leather, rich wood trims, and LED ambient lighting that sets the mood whether it's daytime cruising or late-night chilling. The cockpit is straight-up futuristic 2 dual touchscreens, digital cluster, and controls that are all at your fingertips. You don't even feel like you're driving a motorhome, it's like piloting a private jet on the road. The seats are plush and fully adjustable, with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Yeah, massage, because why not spoil yourself when you can? Moving back into the living area, Cadillac went all in with comfort and tech. You've got a huge retractable old TV, surround sound system that'll make your favorite tracks bump like you're in a concert hall, and modular seating that's perfect for kicking back or entertaining a crew. Storage is insane too. They've thought of every nook and cranny so you can stash your gear, snacks, or even your surfboard if you're hitting the coast. The kitchen is straight fire, as well as stainless steel appliances, induction cooktop, full-sized fridge, and a pull-out pantry that's massive. Cooking on the road just got a serious upgrade. And the bedroom? Oh man, the bedroom is cozy, but looks king-size bed, premium linens, and blackout shades that make sleeping in feel like you're in a luxury hotel suite. Cadillac even threw in a smart climate control system that keeps the temperature perfect no matter where you're parked. Now, let's talk performance, because you know a Cadillac ain't just about looks. Under the hood, this motorhome packs a serious punch. It's rocking a V8 turbocharged engine paired with an automatic transmission that shifts smoother than butter. Acceleration is surprisingly brisk for a rig this size, and handling, Cadillac tuned it to feel planted on the road, whether you're cruising highways or weaving through winding mountain roads. Air suspension keeps it steady, so even bumps and potholes are barely noticeable. And don't worry, fuel economy isn't gonna blow your mind, but for what you're getting, it's pretty decent. Plus, Cadillac tossed in all the modern driving. 8's adaptive cruise, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, so it's safe and smart on top of being insanely comfortable. Alright, now onto the price, because yeah, we gotta talk cheddar. This 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't cheap, no doubt about it. You're looking at a starting price north of $750,000, which might make some jaws drop. But for that kind of dough, you're getting full-on luxury, cutting-edge tech, and a ride. That's basically a home and a hotel rolled into one. And let's be real, if you're even considering a motorhome like this, price probably ain't the main worry. You're buying exclusivity, comfort, and straight-up wow factor. Plus, Cadillac offers a bunch of optional packages if you want to deck it out even further with high-end finishes, entertainment upgrades, and tech add-ons. Honestly, The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is one of those rigs that makes you want to hit the road yesterday. It's stylish, it's powerful, it's comfortable as heck, and it screams Cadillac in every single detail. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, tailgating in style, or just want to flex a little at the local RV park, this ride's got your back. It's like Cadillac took everything we love about luxury cars and said, yeah, let's blow minds on four wheels too. So if you're all about rolling up in style, lounging like a boss, and having a motorhome that's basically a mansion on wheels, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome should definitely be on your radar. It's the kind of rig that doesn't just get you from A to B, makes the journey an experience. And the vibe it gives off? Pure flicks, pure comfort, pure Cadillac. Alright fam, that's a wrap on today's deep dive. If you liked cruising through the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome with me, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss the latest ride. Reviews right here on Centreviews Hub. Drop a comment below if you'd take this beast on a road trip or if you're saving up for something equally wild. Thanks for rolling with me, and until next time, stay fast, stay stylish, and keep living that road warrior life. Peace out.